Hello. So this morning, Walmart and Lowe's both reported their earnings, and Walmart beat both revenue and EPS. And the good thing is that they raised their guidance. Lowe's also beat revenue and EPS, but they are stating that sales may fall this year. That's not surprising because Lowe's is very heavily dependent on housing and interest rates. With mortgage rates so high, people are not going out and buying homes as often, and they're not doing as much renovations. Walmart usually does well in poor economic conditions, and everybody goes there looking for discounts. Small caps are eking in some gains today, and they're trying to reestablish their pricing in this range. So we can see that Intuitive Machines, HIMS, Rocket Lab, SoFi, all of these companies, all of these small caps are very similar in their share price recently. Because they've grown so much, they're trying to keep this price at this level. There's been so much short interest in these companies in the past few months and in their lifetime in general. And the shorts have been returning shares and buying back. And that drives the share price slightly higher. We can see with SoFi that this previous support has turned into a resistance for them. And if they can break through, then everything above here is free game, in my opinion. We can see that housing prices in the past 2 years have been basically flat. Nothing has changed really because of the mortgage rates, because of all the macro environment that the economy has been in. After the pandemic, all of these gains have just been flat. So if we see mortgage rates continue to drop, which they haven't so far, even with the Fed cutting interest rates, we could see that the prices continue to trend upwards. However, if we do see a macroeconomic change, like an unemployment recession, that could pose a really big threat to housing prices and equities in general. So Target is reporting earnings tomorrow morning, but I feel like we already have a good idea of consumers with Walmart, so I don't think Target is going to really surprise anybody with what they're going to report. We're just going to have to see for this specific company how they do. And of course, Nvidia tomorrow afternoon is going to be so important. They are supposed to report $33.12 billion in revenue and 0.75 in EPS. The market is pricing in an 8% move either upwards or downwards in the stock price tomorrow. And the trend this year is that Nvidia comes out, they beat earnings, they raise their guidance, and the stock shoots up 10% the next day. We'll have to see if Nvidia is able to keep this up tomorrow and if they're able to beat again and impress the market. I think there's a 60% chance that they do beat and they continue driving upwards in share price. I also don't mind if prices come down and we can buy stocks that we want to at a lower price. So overall, consumers are still looking for discounts. They're still feeling the inflationary pressures, but overall the economy is just pretty stable and doing fine. If we do see unemployment tick up, then it's going to be a really big problem for the overall economy and stock prices. But so far, everything is going just fine, and everything is just waiting on Nvidia to publish earnings tomorrow afternoon. So let me know what you think. Do you think Nvidia is going to go up in share price tomorrow? Do you think it's going to drop back down? Let me know in the comments. Leave a like and subscribe if you haven't, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.